Hi friends. So what I'd like to do today is I'd like to put some sounds together with you to figure out what these words are. And all of the words that I have today are action words. So when we figure out what it says, then we can act it out. Okay? Ready for the first one? Okay, here it is. I want you to do it by yourself first. I'm going to point to the letter. This one's M-I-X, and you say the sound that it makes. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. M-I-X. Did you figure it out? M-I-X. That's the word mix. M-I-X. Let's get a bowl. Let's put something in the bowl. And let's mix. M-I-X. We are mixing it. Good job. Let's try another one. Ready? Ready for the next one? Okay, you do it by yourself first. Ready, set, go. Now, I'll do it with you. Ah, p. Ah, p. Did you figure it out? Ah, p. It's the word hop. Okay, get ready. We have to hop. Hop. One more. Hop. That's the word hop. Ah, p. Good job. Okay, here's another one. Are you ready? You first. You're going to do it by yourself. This one starts with a P. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. P, t. One more time. P, t. What does that make? That's pet, right? Pet. Let's pretend that we have a cat, and we're going to pet the cat. Or maybe it's a dog, and you can pet the dog. You got to be gentle, right? That's the word pet. P-et. Good job. All right, here's another one. This one starts with an H. Okay? Starts with an H. You do it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. One more time. That's the word hum. Hum. I'm going to hum. When I hum, it's like singing, but I keep my mouth closed, and I make the letter M sound. You know that song? I was humming Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Do it with me. That's how we hum. Let's try another one. Oh, this one has 4 sounds. 4 sounds in this word, okay? You're going to do it first. Ready? Oh, it starts with an L. That's an L, okay? Say the sounds. You first. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. Starts with that L. Ready, set, go. O, I, f, t. A little faster. O, I, f, t. Do you know what that says? O, I, f, t. It says lift. We have to lift something. That means we pick it up. All right, let's get something that's really big, and let's lift it. Here, get over here. Put it down. We lifted it. Was it hard? Are you tired? I'm tired. Lift. Lift. Good job. Here comes another one. Okay. This one starts with a D. That's a D. Okay. You do it first. Ready, set, go. Okay. Now I'll say it with you. D-I-G. One more time. D-I-G. It's the word dig. We need to dig. What do you think we should use to dig? I think we should get a shovel. I'm going to get my shovel, and I'm going to stick it in the ground and dig. Dig. I'm digging in the ground. That's how we dig. And to make the word, we go dig. Those are the sounds that we need, so those are the letters that we write. Okay, here's another one. It has 4 letters again. Okay. Starts with a C, an L, then an A, then a P. You do it first. Say the letter sounds. Ready, set, go. All right, now I'll do it with you. K, O, A, P. Ready? Again, a little faster. K, O, A, P. One more time. K, O, A, P. It's the word clap. K, O, A, P. Clap. Let's do it. Ready? We're going to clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, clap. That is K, O, A, P. Good job. All right, here's another one. This one starts with R. Do you remember what sound R makes? It ends with a B. That one's a B. Okay, you do this one by yourself. Say the sounds. Ready, set, go. All right, do it again. I'll do it with you this time. B. B. That makes the word rub. Let's rub our bellies. Rub. Rub. Good job. Here comes another one. Oh, this one starts with an F. Okay? Your turn first. I'm going to say the F sound, the A sound, then the N sound. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. A, N. A little faster. Fan. It's fan. We can fan ourselves when we get kind of hot, like this. You can blow the air. You can fan yourself. You can feel the air moving. I can't see the air, but I can feel it. Can you feel the air? Sometimes I can use a piece of paper to fan myself like that, and I can feel the air. That's fan. Fan. All right? Oh, I got a few. I got a few more. This one has 4 letters again. Are you ready? Starts with an R. It's got 4 letters. You do it first. Ready, set, go. All right, now I'll do it with you. Est. Again. Est. Did you get it? One more time. Rest. It's the word rest. Oh, it's rest. I love this part. Is it nap time? Let's rest. It's time to rest. Rest. Good job. We did rest. Okay, I got a few more. This one starts with an S. All right, you first. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. S, I, P. A little faster. S, I, P. It's the word sip. 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 Now to take a sip, we need a glass or a mug. You're going to hold it, and you want to take a little drink. Not a big drink, a little drink. A sip is just a little drink like this. Took a little sip, right? Maybe if it's really hot, you'll blow on it like hot cocoa. And then take a sip. Just a little sip, a little sip. All right. Got 2 more. 2 more words. All right. This one starts with an N. This is a D at the end, and there's an O in the middle. Do it by yourself first. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'll do it with you. N-A-D. Okay, one more time. N-A-D. It's the word nod. Do you know how to nod? That's a nod. What does that mean? When we nod, it means we're saying yes. That's how we nod. Nod. All right, one more word. You ready for the last one? It's another tricky one. Here it is. S-W-I-M. You do the sounds first by yourself. Ready, set, go. All right, now I'll do it with you. S-W-I-M. S-W-I-M. Swim. Did you figure it out? It's the word swim. 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 Let's pretend to swim. You can jump into the pool, splash. You can swim like this. You can roll over on your back and do the backstroke. Thank you for playing with me, friends. I hope you had fun making some words, and I'll talk to you all pretty soon.